Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Battlefield Error Code 18601S, 89001S, 13C, 13561655840. The error reads, an undefined error occurred. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game but are blocked by this message. According to our research, this error may happen due to temporary login issues, game version mismatch, network problems, or account-related restrictions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your network. Simply turn off your console or PC and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, and then power them back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. Simply open your launcher or console menu, then look for available updates for the game and install them. Once updated, check for the error again. If the error persists, try pressing the Enter button about 5 to 7 times on the login screen. Some users shared that after several attempts, they were able to get in. So give this a try and see if the error still comes. If the error continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot, and check for the error. If you still get the error, try logging in using a different account. Some users resolve the issue by changing account settings like age or using another EA or Xbox account. So try this and check if this resolves the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try resetting your PS5 or console. Simply perform a system restart and launch the game again, and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then visit help.ea.com/en/server status to check the EA server status. If everything appears normal there, then check the status of your gaming platform, such as status.playstation.com for PlayStation users. If servers are down, then wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.